Hi, welcome. You're now watching the Factory In-House Live Show of 2021 TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech Taipei. I'm Jada, your host today. The 2021 TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech Taipei has been transformed into a unique and brand new digital event as online exhibition and DigitalGo. Due to pandemic, even though we cannot meet face-to-face in physical trade show, don't worry, I'm going to bring you to visit our exhibitors factory in Taiwan through internet. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave in chat box in words. We will answer them in Q&A section. Now, let me bring you to King's Solution. King's Solution has been dedicated in injection molding machines for over 30 years. Now, let's welcome Sheila to bring us to visit the factory and latest machines. Hello, Sheila.
Hello. Hi, Jada.
Hi, Sheila. Now we will follow you to visit King's Solution latest factory and machines. Let's go.
Sure, let's go.
Hello everyone, this is Sheila Su from King's Solution Taiwan. Welcome to today's live show of In-House Factory 2. Today we are going to introduce our customer's factory, the Comos factory, where our low pressure molding machine is working here now. Welcome to join with us. The innovative low pressure molding solution actually is for the waterproof molding. So let's see how the process can change the traditional workflow and create a comfortable working experience. Hi, Eden.
Hi, Sheila.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Good to see you today.
Yeah, me too.
Let me introduce you our factory and also let's see how the machine working out.
Yeah, sure.
Let's go.
Let's go.
As you know that Comos is a 33 years cable and connector manufacturer. Now we build this smart production line for 3 years already. So let me show you this smart production line.
Okay.
So from the screen you can see we can tell the numbers, the speed, and also the quality. So everything will be accumulate in the system. Okay. So here we go. This is the production line we built in Taiwan. And here you are. This is the low pressure molding machine.
Whoa. So our machine is working in such a environment which is so neat and clean. This is very lucky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All my customers are very excited about this new technology, low pressure molding process.
Yeah. I think they will be very satisfied with new technology. Let me introduce what is low pressure molding solution. It starts from this material. The material actually is made from the seed oil. It's 100% recyclable and eco-friendly. So after melt, the material will be directly injected to the products. So this material is designed to overmold it to the fragile electronic components. So the very low injection pressure, only 1.5 bar to 30 bar, it will be overmolded to protect the PCBA like this. This is the finished products. Actually, inside the component, there are the 5G chip and a lot of electronic parts. So for what kind of application the low pressure molding can be? First will be automotive. As you know, the e-vehicle now is a very important trend to approach waterproof application. And also for the consumer electronic products, and especially for the industrial control, that is Industry 4.0 application. So today, we also bring you the live demonstration here. Let's see. This is our C-type molding machine. So I would like to show you how to make the low pressure. This is very simple, only 3 steps. First is to insert. We insert the parts. You see this is the PCBA to the mold. Only few seconds. then into the mold. Now I press the two buttons. The pneumatic safety guard closed, the light curtain active, and this is a very safe machine because once we enter it, the machine will stop it immediately. So now the molding is continued. We can see here is the injection curve. This is how it is injection here. So the molding process actually is only take 15 to 60 seconds. So after the molding, the product can be immediately tested and handled. So now the molding is finished. So now we have the two products. It's already become room temperature. The melting temperature, it was 200 degrees, and it already becomes something like 40 degrees. So we have the two charging cable here, and this one is the runner, which we can directly put in the tank as a recycled material. I will show you how to do it later. So let's do some trial here. So this is the cable we just finished. Oops. As you can see, this is a blue light, right? Hi, Eden.
Yes.
May I borrow your cell phone?
Sure.
Thank you. So let's see how it functions now. It's turned to red. It means it's charging now. So amazing, right?
Impressive.
Before to do a waterproof cable, we need to do something like epoxy. We need to use the glue. But now this is very convenient and neat and clean. So please continue. This machine is with a CE certificate and US certificate with higher standard safety devices. Lately, we got a lot of orders and inquiries from the United States and Europe. So we believe this machine will definitely take care of all the operator safety and also with the machine great performance. Come to here. I'd like to introduce, this is the melting tank. This machine, we can say this is the heart of the machine. Here is a servo motor with a gear pump. So it's rotating and it's melting the material. And this melting tank is with the material. I just want to show you how we can recycle the material to this process. Just a moment. Please give me the runner. Thank you. As we mentioned, this material can be 100% recycled. Johnny, please stop for a moment. Now I'm going to put the material into the mold again. Okay, once I open the door, the machine itself is alarmed. Now I'm putting this material directly to the melting tank. Then it will automatically melt and use again. So this is what we say, this is 100% recyclable, eco-friendly material. Okay. Now I'm going to introduce the machine. This is a vertical machine with a single slide table. The mold can be slide in and out, and we can insert a cable. This is very convenient. So now we are going to slide in. And the mold will close. Mold open. Then slide out. So this machine is special designed for the laboratory or R&D department. It's very compact, only less than 5 kilograms. And also the space you see is just like a desk area. So I think both two machines is our best-selling model. So today, here we are in Comos. We know that Comos is not only a manufacturer of the special cables, they only provide some turnkey solution. Hi, Eden.
Hi.
May I know what is your idea for your turnkey solution?
You got a very great introduction of your low pressure injection machine.
Yeah.
As you know that in the future, to manufacture locally is one of the trend. So we provide not only product service, we provide also the turnkey solution to our customer,
Yes.
including the low pressure molding process, including the auto soldering process, and also some semi-automation machines.
Yes.
Let's go. So, as you can see right now, we build this production line with a lean manufacture concept. So it's perfectly fit high mix, low volume combinations. So this is what we provide to our customer in the future. We hope we can provide a total solution to our customer.
Yeah, I think our customers all over the world, they are very excited to know that Comos can provide a completely turnkey solution of cable manufacture with King's low pressure molding solution. We believe both of us with over 30 years experience can be your best partner in the future. Go green, this is a future trend for all the manufacturers. So if you have any question, please feel free to contact with us and you can leave your question later for the Q&A.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, we received 2 questions from Mr. Hussein. The first question is, could you explain further why the low pressure molding solution is more eco-friendly than the other process? We would like to welcome Sheila Su, the CEO of King Solutions, to join us for Q&A section. Hello, Sheila. Hi, Sheila, we cannot hear you. Can you switch on and off the microphone again? Thank you.
Can you hear me
Yes,
now?
yes, we can hear perfectly.
Great.
Okay, we would like to welcome Sheila again. Hi, Sheila. Could you tell Mr. Hussein the first question? Could you explain further why the low pressure molding solution is more eco-friendly than the other process? Please, Sheila, the floor is yours.
Yeah, thanks for this question. Actually, this is also a topic I'd like to explain more here. Yeah, actually, I already work in plastic industry over 20 years. I always seeking for green solution as a sustainable way to treat plastic as a precious assets, not just a pollution to the world. So as I just mentioned, the bio-based plastic material of the low pressure molding are natural adhesives which made from the plant seed oil. Can you see this? Yeah, and this is eco-friendly solution from the conventional plastic made from fossil or the traditional epoxy resin as reactive polymers, which may cause health risk during the processing. I believe every choice in manufacturing is the vote to the future of the world. So the consumers, brand owners, regulators, and the industry are demand change. The use of bio-based material is in consumer goods and packaging has been identified as an important driver for sustainable sourcing endeavor to reduce the environmental footprints. That's why we focus in the low pressure molding development for the past 10 years and support our customer to improve the electronics waterproof encapsulation process with the green manufacturing way.
Thank you, Sheila. And there is another question by Mr. Hussein. He would like to know, since low pressure molding is a new process of waterproof encapsulation, do you provide a consultancy service of the product design to customers? Please, thank you.
Yeah, sure. Sure we do, because our company established since 1983 is almost 40 years. So we have plenty experience in plastic molding. We always provide a turnkey solution, including the mold and product design. So as a turnkey solution provider, we always support our customer to do the product design, material selection, process engineering, mold flow analyzing, and according to the product application and design limitation. So low pressure molding is not just a hot melt potting. With our low pressure molding machine, all pressure and the flow can be controlled precisely by closed-loop injection system. And the industrial PC, all the setting and processing data will be recorded and analyzed. So from the material, mold, machine, manpower to the final master, we will be the best partner to co-work with our customer all over the world. If we have more time, Jada. Yeah, if we have more time, because I also have some sample with me, maybe I can introduce you by this
yes,
sample.
Sure.
Is that
we
okay?
have one question from Miss Emma. She would like to know, at present, is King Solutions green solution only for small plastic products, or is it also the green manufacturing for large plastic products?
Okay. Thank you, Emma. Yes, for the green manufacturing is because today our topic is the low pressure molding. But for the green manufacturing, we have the completely solution for different kind of products. If you have any question, it's welcome to contact with us with your product, your question, your output, and it will be our honor to provide the best solution with a green way to you. Thank you, Emma.
And we would like to welcome Sheila to share with us more about King Solution or all the samples. Please, the floor is yours.
Okay. Yeah. Because I think I have a lot of interesting story during my developing with the customer. Okay. So as you can see here, this is the military connectors with the cables. Do you know the application? Actually, this is for the satellite, the communication in between different satellites. So this is used in North Canada. It's a very cold place. So the environment is minus 40 to sometimes like when very hot, maybe in the desert, maybe over 50, 60 degrees. So this is made from low pressure molding, and we help this customer. They have over 50 different kind of connectors, and we help them to develop the mold and with the product design and finish all the trial in Taiwan. And the customer now, they are very satisfied because before they are using the potting process and it took them a lot of time and it's a messy job. Now, and they have a very neat and clean laboratory, and everyone is very satisfied with this process. So this is one of our successful experience with customer.
If there's no further questions, I would like to wrap up today's activity. TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech Taipei online exhibition and DigitalGo is live during September 28th to October 28th. Please stay tuned every Wednesday and Thursday for Factory In-House Live Show. Please visit TaipeiPLAS.com.tw and ShoeTech.com.tw for more details. And if you are interested in King's Solutions Total Solution, please visit injection.com.tw for more services. Thank you, Sheila, for joining us today, and thank you for all the audience for watching. Please keep healthy and happy. We would like to see you soon next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.